She broke my rein, so I'm just gonna use my lead rope. Straight up snowing. We should have brought our bows. I told you as soon as we left our freaking bows at the house.
I didn't see it.
No, we had never been there. Alright, today we're back here trying to do a little squirrel hunting and see if we can take out a couple predators if we stumble across them. Hopefully we can stumble across some coyotes or something. See if we can catch us up some lunch, some squirrels. I'm on Sadie. We've already seen about 4 deer this morning. It's gonna be a good time. It's about 28 degrees right now. About 6:25, 6:30 in the morning. Here's something moving over here. We're gonna see what it was snowing on us this morning at about 5:30. It's pretty chilly. Wasn't supposed to be snowing. It's kinda looks snowy though. Hopefully we can get on some coyotes or bobcat or something. We can sneak around. These mules are so quiet and the wind's blowing, so maybe we can sneak up on something. Get a good shot at one. We're gonna have a good time either way. Any day on the mule in the woods is a good day. So what happened was we seen an otter and we was gonna stop and shoot at that otter. It's legal. And I went to grab the mule from Devin and she got startled and my rein broke. And whenever my rein broke, it freaked her out a little bit and she took off bucking across this little slab here and ended up the saddle turned over. And she had a little freak out moment. She got a little scared, but we got her calmed back down. She broke my rein, so I'm just gonna use my lead rope as a rein. And we're gonna keep on heading up the logging road, see what else we can find. Sadie, you got a little scared, didn't you? Sometimes you gotta get scared to realize you ain't gotta be scared. So I thought I'd lost my camera again. I had it in my scabbard right here. But whenever I got off the saddle, I was gonna video Devin shoot that river otter. And I thought it was gone whenever she went to bucking. The saddle rolled on her whenever she went to bucking, so she got freaked out. She's good now. She's all calm. And her ears are floppy. We petted it and talked about it. Said everything was good, but she just got a little scared. This is just her 5th ride. So, you know, you can take a good broke mule and bring her out here and have good insurance, but I really need to start working on her. This is how you get them broke. So, heck yeah, we ended up getting that river otter. So we hung him in a tree. We'll get him on the way back and skin him out, tan his hide, skull mount him. It'll be a good time. I'm gonna set up on this little road up here. Do a little squeaking. See if we can get something. Got my old Henry 22. My mom and dad bought this for me. I was probably 13, 14 years old. It's a tack driver. She's beat to crap, but she's a tack driver. All right, we didn't see anything right there, so we're gonna head back to the mules and keep on trucking and see if we can ease around. Right now, all we got's an otter. Well, there's a scrape there, scrape there, scrape there, scrape there. That's a big good spot to hunt. Right on top of this hill is where I shot that buck. Them two bucks was fighting there. The temperature has drastically dropped. My alpaca, see, I had to kill my pet alpaca to get this wool off of him. Alpaca's just not quite doing the trick. We had to build us a fire, especially if I catch these things on fire. Boy, it'd be a miserable trip out. Bad deal. No coyotes, no nothing. Poor hunters. Not good. Did you hit it?
I think so.
Sometimes whenever you drop them on their scope like that, you need to resight them in.
Not a bad idea.
Old Sadie's really impressing me. She's doing super good. We had a little incident this morning. Stuff happens. She just got a little scared. She don't know my buddy there. And he come walking up, which I told him to. He come walking up and she got kind of scared of him, and my rein broke and I reached for her real fast to try to grab her, and that was a mistake. I should have just kept calm, but I didn't. You live and you learn. But she did a really good job. She's getting pretty good about the little bit of neck reining coming in here. She's doing decent at it. So I think she's gonna do great. And then the saddle slipped off to the side, tried rolling on her, because I guess she hit a tree or something with it. But the good thing is she come down from it as far as attitude. She was riled up, and she come running straight back to me. She ran away bucking, and the saddle kind of rolled, and she turned around and run back to me like, help. So that's what you want. You want them to come back to you, and she knows that I'm the one that's going to get her out of that situation, so which is a good deal. That's the way I want it. She done really good. I'm super proud of her. This mule's just halter broke whenever I started messing with her. This is her 5th ride. She's doing good. She has a problem with standing still whenever she's tied by herself to a trailer. She don't like being tied to a trailer. Out there a minute ago, I tied her up to a tree, stood there, hip shot. I tie her to the panels at the house, hip shot. I don't know. We'll work with the trailer tying. I'll work her and tie her up to the trailer and let her rest, and then I'll work her and tie her up. Hopefully she'll get better about that. So we're gonna see if we can scare us up a squirrel on the way back. We sat around the fire for 30 minutes or so and talked and caught up. And now we're gonna head on back. The temperature is drastically dropping. It's supposed to be about 14 degrees tonight, so. Yeah. Old Sadie. Bet a lot of you didn't know we had otters here in the mountains. Look at these teeth on this booger. It's a fish killing son of a gun right there. Well, y'all, we're just about out of here. Old Sadie's starting to do quite a lot better on her neck reining. She's doing a lot better on the water crossing. She's really coming along. This is her 5th ride. This will be about 24 miles I've got on her on the old odometer. We're heading out. We're gonna go make some otter soup. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and do all the things that y'all need to do to keep me from working. Maybe I can just come back here and do this. Y'all just gotta blow my videos up. If y'all blow my videos up, then I can just do this all the time and put out 10 times the videos. Appreciate you.